So I saw a video earlier with someone explaining how to manifest large sums of money, and they were explaining that you should visualize large quantities of money falling from the sky on you. Okay, so I have a couple of problems with that. First of all, I mean, anyone can correct me if I'm wrong. When's the last time you walked outside and there was money falling from the sky? And ever. Like, somebody let me know. No shade on whoever made that video or that topic or whatever. It may work for them, but I feel like that just wouldn't work for me. Visualization needs to be something that's realistic. I need to be seeing something that could actually happen in my life. When you're visualizing, you want to visualize about the end result that you're wanting. So, in this case, with visualizing large sums of money, you need to visualize large sums of money coming into your life the way large sums of money would come into your life. So that means like visualizing yourself opening your bank app and you have a surprise $5,000 in there, or visualizing yourself actually going to your bank and checking your ATM and you have a large sum of money there. Y'all see what I mean? You visualize this money coming into your life in a way that makes sense to you. So when you are seeing this visualization, when you are visualizing this, it feels real to you and you feel the emotions that you would feel if that were really happening. That is the whole point of the visualization process, and that is what is going to manifest your thing for you. So please, nobody out there visualizing lump sums of money falling from the sky. And honestly, if y'all are, can y'all please tell me what sky y'all are under so I can come get under it right now? So if you are wanting to visualize large sums of money coming into your life, just do it in a way that's realistic to you. Like I said, one way that works well for me is just visualizing opening my app and the money that I need is there. I hope this helps you guys because visualization is definitely a great way to manifest what you desire. If you want more tips, make sure you are following me and happy manifesting.